We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews, and how we'll earn yours too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.